Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. The Leeward Islands Hurricanes were 39 without loss at sports time in the post-lunch session in their second innings reply against the Jamaica Scorpions on day 3 of their regional 4-day championship encounter at the Coolidge Cricket Ground in Antigua. Earlier, the Scorpions were dismissed for 234 in their first innings reply after resuming on 186 for 6. Abhijay Mansingh carried on to 56 from his overnight 34, while Marquino Mindley made 19. Raheem Cornwall took 5 for 54 and Colin Archibald 2 for 37. There was also 2 for 25 from Sheeno Berridge. The Hurricanes had made 260 in their first innings. Meanwhile, Tevin Gilzene says he's excited at the prospect of turning out for the Scorpions following his maiden call-up to the team. Gilzene scored 231 runs in 5 warm-up matches, including 2 half-centuries, and he's hoping to bring quality to the 11 if called upon against the Barbados Pride next Wednesday.
I understand the situation that I'm going in under. However, I just have to go in and give it my best. I know being a debutant is kind of hard, but you have to start somewhere. As soon as I get in and I get the groove as to what to do, I will be ready and on my way. But I intend to do well. My only option is to go upwards from this point.
Now, Reggae Girls head coach Lord Donaldson says the coaching staff will not dwell on captain Khadija Bunny Shaw withdrawing from the squad ahead of the upcoming FFA Cup of Nations tournament in Australia next week. Now, with just over a week to go before the squad travels to Australia, the Shaw cited personal reasons for opting out of the trip down under. Interestingly, Shaw, who leads the goal-scoring charts in England's Women's Super League for Manchester City, has withdrawn even though the tournament is being contested in a FIFA window. But Donaldson insists that the technical team will have to focus on the players who will be in Australia.
Well, I mean, she's not going to be there, and I just got the message from her just as a personal issue. So I really can't comment on something I don't know about personal issues. So obviously, yes, I mean, she's a leader, she's the captain, she's one of the best, she's the best player on the team. So you're always looking forward to having your best player. But if it's we can only control what we can control, so we just have to move on. I think we have a strong group of players, and somebody else will step up. I think we're just going to wait until we get there before we start going over, who's going to lead the team. We'll talk to a few of the players that have done it before and just see who's going to lead us through the tournament.
And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us again at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.